In the meantime, with his physical health having substantially improved from a week-long bout of high stress, hypertension, and even a mild bout of pneumonia thrown in, Senator Rodante Marcoleta is nearing full recovery and poised for a trip to the Sandigan Bayan for tomorrow's arraignment. Our Ryan Lisigas narrates the preparation for the senator's appointment tomorrow to include X-ray and angiogram scanning today at the UP PGH.
Senator Rodante Marcoleta was in a wheelchair when he was taken out of his room at the PNP General Hospital this morning before being transported in a PNP coaster vehicle to the UP Philippine General Hospital. This came after the Sandigan Bayan 3rd Division ordered the senator to undergo an independent medical evaluation to determine his actual medical condition. He was also handcuffed and wearing a detainee shirt when he was brought to UP PGH.
I choose to believe that it's not, rather than doubting yung evaluation po ng ating mga doctors dito, ay ginawa po ito ng Sandigan Bayan para po ma-erase na nga any doubts from the public. Yung doubts at yung agam-agam ng ating publiko. So nagkakaroon na ng question siguro dahil nga sa evaluation ng ating mga doctors. So this will definitely show kung ano po talaga ang status ni Senator Marcoleta.
The convoy left the PNP General Hospital for UP PGH shortly after 11 a.m. As part of his security detail, Marcoleta was also made to wear a bulletproof vest. According to Acting Chief PIO Police Colonel Allen Ray Co, the vest was intended to protect the senator from any possible incident while in transit.
Siguro obvious naman po yung vest. Protection po sa kanya yan. Any eventuality. We plan for any eventuality. Lahat po ng contingency ay pinagpaplanuhan natin. Of course, personal protection po ng ating senador.
The Sandigan Bayan also directed UP PGH Director Dr. Gerardo Ligaspi to submit his medical report to the court tomorrow, July 15. The PNP once again maintained it has not afforded Marcoleta any special or VIP treatment despite his more than a week in their custody.
He was specifically committed not to a jail yet but sa CIDG. So incumbent upon us na pag mayroon pong nakakustudiya sa amin, may naramdaman, may masamang pakiramdam o may sakit, ay siyempre ano pang gagawin natin kundi dadalhin natin sa ospital. And yung rooms naman dito, wala namang, if I remember correctly, ay wala naman dito yung mga VIP rooms na ano talaga, yung normal rooms lamang. So doon po siya dinala at doon po siya nagpapagaling.
Marcoleta spent only about an hour at the UP PGH where he underwent X-ray and a 2D echocardiogram tests. According to CIDG NCR Chief Police Colonel John Giyagi, the senator's laboratory results were declared normal despite a slight increase in his blood pressure. Marcoleta has been declared fit to travel, paving the way for his transfer to the Sandigan Bayan tomorrow. Ryan Lisigas for The Nation.